Hi Year 4! Today I'm going to show you how to use clues from the text to make detailed inferences. First, let's look at a definition of what inference is. Inference is a mental process by which we reach a conclusion based on specific evidence. So let's have a go at inferring a piece of text. What inferences can you make about this character? The lady has a nappy in her hand, milk on her shirt, and a bottle warming on the counter. You can use your experiences to make inferences. So I know from experience that babies wear nappies and babies mainly drink milk. So I infer the lady is a mum looking after a young baby. We use inferences all the time when we are reading. We look at the clues in the text to make an educated guess. You need to become a detective when you make inferences because you have to look for the clues. The answer is not always obvious. So let's have a look at an example from our text, My Granny's Great Escape. Please pause the video and read the text carefully. Then look for clues to answer this question. Infer how Mr. Trugg felt after this incident. Did you find all the clues? Remember, we need to be a detective. Picture clues can help you make inferences, so you can see here from his expression, he's not very happy about the pigeons pooing on his car. Also, we can see here from the clues in the text, Mr. Trugg went crazy and he hurled his bottle of polish after the pigeons. So the contents splattered down Mr. Trugg's front and then he went into a full-scale 5-star explosion. So we've been a detective, we've looked at the clues, now we're going to use ape to make a detailed inference. Remember your sentence stems. Here is my example to help. So first you need to answer the question. It is clear that Mr. Trugg felt furious. I've answered the question. Now we need to use evidence from the text to prove your answer. I've used a sentence stem here. I know this because he threw his bottle of polish at the pigeons. Also, the text states that Mr. Trugg went into a full-scale 5-star explosion. After you've used evidence from the text to prove your answer, you need to explain it, and sometimes this is the tricky part because you have to summarise in your own words. I've used a sentence stem here. This implies that Mr. Trugg is an extremely neat person and untidiness makes him really angry. Also, we can use evidence from the other chapters to help us in our answer. Do you remember when he cut the grass with a pair of scissors? That gives us more evidence about the character of Mr. Trugg.